In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Google Drive for desktop, Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. If you've been using Google's desktop sync app and you're ready to remove it from your Windows 11 PC, this guide will walk you through the exact clicks, explain what you'll see, and share a few tips so the process feels effortless. We're doing everything inside Windows settings. No extra tools, no complicated menus. Start by opening the Windows Settings app. The fastest way is pressing the Windows key plus Y on your keyboard. You can also click the Start button and select the gear-shaped Settings icon. Once Settings is open, look at the left sidebar and choose Apps. This is where Windows manages software. Inside the Apps section, click Installed Apps. You'll now see a complete list of applications recognized by Windows, with options to search or sort so you can find what you need quickly. Now, locate Google Drive for desktop in that list. If your list is long, use the search box at the top and type Google Drive. It should appear immediately. Otherwise, scroll through alphabetically. Make sure you select the entry labeled Google Drive for desktop, the actual sync app, not anything related to your web browser. If your settings window is narrow and you don't see all the options, widen it so everything is visible. When you've found it, look to the right side of that entry for the 3 vertical dots, the More Options button in Windows 11. Click those dots and choose Uninstall. This is the standard way to tell Windows you want to remove the program and its related components. Windows will then prompt you to confirm, just to make sure you don't remove it by accident. Click Uninstall again to proceed. You may see a quick progress bar or a small uninstaller window appear. Simply allow it to run. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, approve it so the removal can complete. If the app happens to be running, the uninstaller will handle closing it for you. And that's it. Google Drive for desktop is now removed from your computer. Your files stored in the cloud remain safely in your Google Drive account online, and any local files you created yourself stay where they are. Uninstalling here only removes the desktop sync application. If you ever decide to bring it back, you can reinstall it from Google's website whenever you like. Thanks for watching. Feel free to pause and replay any part of the guide while you go through the clicks and enjoy a cleaner, simpler Windows 11 setup.